Playing with friends. Every day after school, I like to play with my friends. We usually meet at the park or in my backyard, and we decide on a game to play. Sometimes we play tag or hide and seek, and other times we make up our own games. I enjoy running around and laughing with my friends. We always have a great time together. Playing with friends helps me relax and forget about the school day. I love how we can be creative and invent new rules or games as we go. After playing, we sit down and share snacks or talk about our day. I think spending time with friends is one of the best ways to feel happy. They make me laugh and help me forget any worries. Playing outside with friends also helps me stay active and healthy. It's a good way to exercise without even realizing it. Sometimes, we organize team games like soccer or basketball, which helps us build teamwork and cooperation skills. These games teach us to work together, listen to each other, and solve problems. My friends and I share a special bond, and these fun times strengthen our friendship. The memories we make while playing together are some of the happiest moments of my life. Sometimes, we also have sleepovers or play games indoors when it's raining outside. I always look forward to spending time with my friends because they bring so much joy to my life.